Welcome to Spark Learning. In this video, we will practice using arrays to multiply multi-digit numbers. An array is an arrangement of objects, pictures, or numbers in rows and columns. Arrays are useful representations of multiplication concepts. In the past, you might have used arrays to solve simple one-by-one digit multiplication problems. In this video, we'll show you how you can use arrays to solve larger two-digit multiplication problems. Let's work out what 25 times 18 is using an array. We will break up both numbers into tens and ones. 25 can be broken up into 10 plus 10 plus 5. So we will write these digits on one side. And 18 can be broken up into 10 plus 8, which we will write at the top. The next step is to draw horizontal and vertical lines to separate our numbers. Then we will multiply each set of numbers that meet in the grid. We will start from the top left-hand corner and work our way across and down. 10 times 10 is 100 and 10 times 8 is 80. Let's move on to the second row, which is exactly the same as the first row. Again, 10 times 10 is 100 and 10 times 8 is 80. And finally, we will multiply the numbers that meet in the third row. 5 times 10 is 50 and 5 times 8 is 40. Now all we need to do is add the numbers inside the array together. 100 plus 100 plus 80 plus 80 plus 50 plus 40 is 450. So 25 times 18 is 450. Let's try another one. We will solve 34 times 46 using an array. We will break up 34 into 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 and 46 into 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6. Now we will multiply the numbers together that meet inside the grid. As you can see, there are a lot of tens that will be multiplied together. We know that 10 times 10 is 100, so let's write 100 in all the boxes that the tens meet. Now, there are 3 squares where 10 and 6 meet. We know that 10 times 6 is 60, so we will write 60 inside each box. 4 times 10 is 40, so we will fill in all the boxes where 10 and 4 meet. And finally, 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, now all our boxes are filled in and our array is complete. Let's add the numbers inside to find our answer. We have 12 100s, so we can add all our 100s together or times 100 by 12, which is 1,200. We also have 3 60s. 60 times 3 is 180. We have 4 40s, 40 times 4 is 160, and we have 24. Now let's add them all together. 1,200 plus 180 plus 160 plus 24 equals 1,564. So 34 times 46 is 1,564. Now it's time for some practice problems. Use an array to solve the multiplication problems on the screen. Press pause now, and when you've worked out the answer to questions 1 and 2, press play to check your answers. Okay, let's start with the first practice problem. 15 can be broken up into 10 plus 5, and 32 can be broken up into 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2. 10 times 10 is 100, 10 times 2 is 20, 5 times 10 is 50, and lastly 5 times 2 is 10. We add these numbers together and our answer is 480. Moving on to practice problem 2. We break up 28 into 10 plus 10 plus 8, and we break up 43 into 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3. Now we multiply all the numbers that meet in the grid. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 3 is 30. 8 times 10 is 80. And 8 times 3 is 24. Inside the grid we have 8 100s, or 100 times 8, which equals 800, plus 4 80s, or 80 times 4, which is 320. We have 2 30s, or 30 times 2, and that equals 60, and 24. We add all these numbers together and we get 1,204. So 28 times 43 is 1,204. And that's how you can use arrays to solve two-digit multiplication problems. If you're looking for downloadable educational materials, visit the Resources for Teaching website. They have a helpful collection of worksheets, activities, lesson plans, and plenty more. We'll leave the link to their website below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos each week. Thanks for watching.